Hi, this is Dr. Srikanth, surgical oncologist from Yashoda Cancer Institute. So today, the hospital has taken an initiative to create, an awareness among the general public to how to detect cancers at an early stage. Tomorrow, being a World Cancer Day, this becomes very prominent for everybody to at least spare a minute to just look into the facts which have been really startling and depressing. How fast this cancer is becoming or being an epidemic in the general public. If you look at the incidence of the last 5 or 10 years, the number of cases of cancers have been on a rising trend. Most importantly, the cancer nowadays is being told or highlighted and is recognized as a lifestyle disease rather than a disease because of some genetic reasons. So, having a lifestyle disease in the sense, it means mostly it is because of the habits which we inculcate during our period of growth. The best way to really cut down or detect this cancer at early stages to be being aware of the symptoms which are generally ignored in the early stages. Over the last 10 years, the incidence has been on the rise, and every year there's about 10 lakh new cases which have been detected in the last year and this year, according to the statistics of the IARC. And in this, only about 1/3 or 30% of the cancers, present in a stage which are in a curable condition. Two-thirds of the cases are in a stage where they cannot be really addressed to the root cause. The cancers, unfortunately, frighteningly, the cancers are detected at an early age, about 10 years or 15 years younger age as compared to the West in India. That's only because of the irregular lifestyle habits, a stressful lifestyle what we, especially in the urban settings, what we go through. The childhood cancers also are on an increasing trend, but luckily the childhood cancers are detected in a slightly early stage and they are more curable when compared to the adult cancers. Childhood cancers, most of the times, in the 90% of the times, it is because of a genetic instability, some factors during the growth period or the growth phase affecting the germ cell or the genetic cell in the DNA, which is affected, which during the growth, this affected gene, during division becomes irregular, haphazard, and then that starts developing into cancers. Most of the cancers occur between below 6 years of age, most of the childhood cancers, and some of them are in the second decade, like bone cancers and some blood cancers.